Hi, welcome to Surrey. My name's Gemma.
I'm George.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Stagecoach buses around Guildford.
And I'm going to be showing you how not to use them.
To let the bus driver know that you'd like the bus to stop, simply hold your hand out like this. While waiting in the queue, it can be helpful to get your bus pass or money ready. To pay for your ticket, simply ask the bus driver for a single or return to your destination, place the money in the tray, and take your ticket. Thank you. Alternatively, you can use contactless methods such as card or phone, or your smartcard bus pass by placing them on the scanner on the machine. Also make sure to be respectful of other passengers by letting people off the bus first and then by not pushing in. When choosing your seat, please try to fill up seats from the back of the bus, as this makes it easier for future passengers to find a seat. Be sure to move up to the window seat to allow other passengers to sit next to you, and do not block other seats with your feet or bags and coats. If there's no space available to sit, find a space near the front of the bus to stand and hold on to the handrail. While riding the bus, do try to be considerate of other passengers by listening to any music through headphones and having conversations at a reasonable volume. During your journey, please do feel free to make use of the free Wi-Fi and charging ports on board. You'll also be able to tell which stop is coming up next via the screen at the front of the bus or by listening to the audio announcements. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can download the Stagecoach app, which will give you plenty of details about your journey. When your destination is the next stop, press the bell button once to let the bus driver know you'd like to get off. It's also important to remember that you've taken all your belongings with you and collected any rubbish and put it in the bin. Don't forget, it's always nice to say a quick thanks to the bus driver as you leave. Thank you. For disabled access, just talk to the driver, as each bus is fitted with a disability access ramp, and they'll be able to set it up for you. Thank you. Each bus also has priority seats for the elderly and disabled, so please give access to them if they are needed.
To get your smartcard bus pass, use the link in the description below and enter your university email and name. You will then be emailed a discount code and instructions to purchase the card. Once the email arrives, copy the code and follow the link in the email to the purchase page. Scroll down until you find the University of Surrey annual packages and choose the one most appropriate for you. More details about the packages are in our other video. Once you have selected the package, create a Stagecoach account using your university details. Next, you need to request a smart card on the checkout page and confirm some details about your course. Paste the discount code and click Enter Delivery Details and Payment. Enter your address and then pay online via the usual payment methods.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you as well to Stagecoach for helping us to make this video.
And be sure to check out our other videos for more information on buses.